Okay.
Leo, stop.
Just adjusting it a little.
You don't need to.
Okay.
Fall off.
Next one, Leo.
It was sideways.
Okay, class.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, let's try this again. Class.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you for not talking after the attention getter.
Make sure
Okay,
to like and
so-
subscribe.
Mr. Williams is corrected.
That's okay. As long as it's recording. Appreciate you. Okay. So,
In today's video, we'll be doing math.
okay, so, all right, so class, we're gonna take a unit test. I was thinking about doing it tomorrow. You guys are good with that?
Yeah, sounds good.
Really, y'all want to do it tomorrow?
Yeah. Tomorrow. Yeah, sounds good to
You
me.
want to do it today?
No. Yeah, sounds good to me.
Okay. You know what? I'll take it easy on you guys. You guys gonna do it Monday when you come back.
Okay.
Is that better? Okay, cool. But
I have like 1 week of study.
okay, go ahead, Savvy. Yeah. In fact, I'll give you some tomorrow.
Oh, that's good.
All right.
Make sure
That way
to
you
like
guys
and
will be
subscribe,
prepared.
guys.
Okay. And we're gonna review tomorrow and the next day. All right. Okay. So.
Do we
All
need
right,
a notebook
class.
today?
So today we're gonna talk about proportion of linear relationship. Who remembers proportionality? Okay, Evan, what do you remember? Wait, hold on. Hey, I'll wait. Okay, one mic. Remember that. Okay, go ahead, Evan.
Proportionality means like equal two shapes are equal to each other.
Okay, yeah, that's a good guess. Yeah, but a proportional relationship. Okay, those are continuing to talk while I'm talking. I'm gonna just take your name.
Oh, sorry.
Appreciate you. Okay, I don't want to have to do it. I know because I trust you guys. I already trust you. I know you know better. Okay, so that's when two variables are always have the same ratio. So you're very close on that. If one variable goes up, the other change by the same amount. Okay, who remembers the constant of proportionality? Leo, what do you remember about constant of proportionality?
That it's it's always like increasing by the same amount. Like it's always the same amount as like the number. Like it's the constant proportionality is just always going to be proportional. So it's always going to be the same.
Okay, that's a good guess. Okay, you guys remember this one? Y equals kx.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, so in this equation, what would be the constant of proportionality? Which part?
K.
K. So K equals constant of proportionality.
So it would be the slope.
All right, so if I write Y equals 3x,
The constant of
What would K be?
proportionality would be 3/5.
3/5.
So that's just the slope. The constant of
And
proportionality.
that's just the slope. It's the same thing, right?
Why can't I lock in with this
Okay.
camera?
All right, so we got that part.
Huh?
All right,
I
now
can't
we're
lock
gonna
in when it's
do
watching
this
me.
in a real life situation.
Wait, what page is this on?
You know what? I can't give you the page because I took just pages off of the whole unit.
Oh, okay.
So, but we can still get through this. You don't have to look at it.
Just go wash your hands then.
Okay. All right. So the studies found that 3 out of 5 students enrolled were female. So
Oh, I remember
how would
this.
we write? How would we write that as a ratio? Evan.
3/5.
3/5. Okay, is there another way we could write as a ratio?
2 and then 5, so 2 and then 2 dots and then 5.
Okay, yeah, good. Okay, like, okay.
I mean 3, I meant to say 3.
3, 3.5. You do like
I
that.
can't stop talking with the camera.
Okay, we can also do it like this. 3 of
What?
5,
What happened?
like that. But for
is
these equations, we're gonna do it with this.
What is that?
Okay. All right.
What is
So
that?
what would be?
What is
Okay, Xavier. Yeah. What would be? How would we write this in the equation? The number of enrolled female students to the number of enrolled male. How would we write that in the equation?
3. Write it as a ratio.
Yeah. How would we write this as a ratio?
So isn't it just 3 to 5?
That's a good guess, but how many numbers of female?
3 females and 5 males.
No, there's
Okay.
3 females and 2 males.
Oh, 3 females.
Female.
3 females to
So
every
3 to 2.
2.
5 students.
No, it's 2 males.
So it'll be
Yes, that's what I
like,
said. Why is he saying 3?
okay, so the female would be like 3/5, right?
And the male would be 2/5.
All right, now what about the male?
2/5.
Male would be 2.
2/5. 2/5. Okay. Now,
What is
but
that?
but this question is
has
asking
gum on it.
the number of
It has
enrolled
2 different
females to the number of males. How do we write that?
Oh, are you what?
Yes. Would be 3, 2. The number of enrolled females to the number of enrolled males. It's not saying it's not saying to the number of students enrolled. The number of students enrolled is 5. It's actually for the number
the
of
screen can
enrolled
see you.
that are male. So how do we write this in a fraction?
I'm joking.
Hold on, Savvy. I'm gonna make eggs cook.
Still?
Yes. How do you write this in a fraction?
3 over 2.
There you go. Good job. You know what you're doing. Good job. All right. So how do we write this number?
He's got a weapon of mass dissection. He's got a weapon of mass dissection.
Okay, class. I'll wait.
Sorry. Oh, that would be 2.
Okay, Evan.
2 over 3.
2 over 3. Good job.
Mine can't call it out.
Okay.
Okay, bro.
All right. Let's move on. All right. So we're gonna take the same equation, but this time we have the graph. Okay, so the study found that 3 out of every 5 students enrolled were female. So this is the total number of students enrolled. This is the orange one is for the male, and then the green one is for the female. All right, so based on this graph, how many students enrolled are male?
Wouldn't that be like 2?
Savvy.
10. Xavier, what?
Okay, let me ask a simpler question. We're talking about for every, let's look at,
Xavier, let's do it.
yes, go ahead. 6, you said 6?
Yeah, 6.
Xavier.
Okay,
Let's do it.
all right, so,
I wasn't gonna snitch.
all right, so 3 out of 5 are female. So, based on this graph, we're not including the total. Just how many males out of 5? 2. Good job. All right. So
Write
how
down the
many
flavor.
females out of
Write down
5?
the flavors we got.
Let's see. Let's just try. I'm gonna pick someone who has not shared. Let's see. Abby. How many females out of 5? How many females out of 5? If the male have 2, 3. Good job. Okay. All right. So how many students total?
5.
5. Good job. All right. So can someone tell me what this graph is saying? This is the sentence. Evan.
For the total number of students, there are 2 that are male and 3 that are female.
Okay, 2 that are male and 3 that are female.
Student.
Okay, great job. I know our students. Yeah.
TS. Is it
Enroll. Okay. All right, so that's going to be on the test too. All right, so let's go to the next one. All right. Okay, so the number of enrolled female students to the number of enrolled male. I think we already went through this one. Okay, yeah, there you go. All right. Okay, so now this is a different graph. Okay, Leo, back to you. Okay. Okay, based on this graph, how many hours does it take Tamar to drive home?
4 hours.
Okay.
What?
When we have a question, you have to raise your hand.
Xavier.
Okay. Oh, hold on. Oh, you need to go to the restroom? Go ahead, go to
Please
the
don't.
Savvy.
Throw it at me.
4, and it goes all the way up to
That's
here?
what you said.
Yep, 4 hours.
You still can't throw the thing with gum on it at me.
All right. Okay, so based on the graph, Connie, how many miles is Tamar's home from the starting point?
0. Wait, what?
How many miles? Okay. This is the starting point, but how many miles is Tamar's home from the starting point? Okay. Evan, would you like to help her out? 200. 200 it is.
200.
Okay. Yeah. Why we know?
Oh,
Okay. Yeah. So Evan, show me how did you get to that point?
Because the top of the graph is labeled 200 and it ends, the thing ends at the top of the graph.
Okay.
There.
Right, and there you go. Right.
It
And
takes
since
3
it
hours.
takes it 4 hours, right? It lines up.
4, not 3.
No, from 150.
Okay. Yes.
The next one is 3 hours.
Okay. All right. How many hours does it take for Tamar to travel 150 miles? Okay. You said 3 hours. Okay. I think you'd be correct, but how do you know?
Because.
Yeah. Show me on the board.
Can I get the credit for that?
Yeah, give him
I was the
credit,
one.
because he's the one that said it first.
Boom. And what up? And there you are. Good job, Connie. Yes. Okay. All right, Leo. You want to take the next one?
Okay.
All right.
Oh, you did right.
Okay, so how many miles have Tamar traveled in 2 hours?
Alright, let me calculate this. 2 hours. 100.
100? Show me on the board. Good job. All right. Right here on the
This is my celebrity debut.
Oh my god.
Okay, so I think you guys are going to ace this test. Should we take it tomorrow?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Just get it out of the way.
We're going to take it Monday. Don't worry, I was just kidding. Just kidding.
It's if we
All right,
take
so
it.
now we're going to move to the next one.
Okay, so do you want it to be fresh in your mind when you take it, or do you want it to be a week old in your mind when you take it?
A week old.
But you're
Alright,
forgetting.
so now we're gonna analyze the rate of change between 2 points of a line.
Yeah, you are. It's a test.
Okay, and we are to also use similar triangles to explore
Xavier.
the steepness of a line. We're gonna also derive the equation y equals mx, representing a proportional linear relationship. And then we're also going to graph a proportional relationship and interpret the unit rate as the slope of the graph.
Why are you winking?
Okay, all right, so looking at this graph,
You're winking.
you'll see the time in seconds
You're like,
and the distance in yards. Okay? So let me ask you a question.
my eyes were
Is this equation proportional or non-proportional?
proportional.
Proportional? Okay, so Mr. Nguyen, why do we know that it's proportional? Because it starts at 0, right? 0, 0? The origin. Good job. Okay. All right. So based on this graph, if we
0, 0
start
is the first one.
0, 0. Man, you're too quick, bud. Okay, so if you walk 0 seconds, you're not gonna go 0 distance, right?
Yeah. And then if you spend 1 second walking, you'll be moving 2 for every one. Oh yeah, 0.5 for every 1. 0.5 for every 1.
0.5 distance
All right.
every
So
second.
for one, how much distance?
Oh, every.
2.
2.
What?
There you go.
The unit rate is 1 over 2.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Calm down.
Can I ask you a question? I know you're bright. You're very bright. It's great. Kai. Yeah, you can go to the restroom, but while you do that, you give me your phone.
What phone?
The phone in your hand.
I got that phone in my hand.
Okay, all right. You tuck it away. Okay. All right, Kai.
What it is?
Hey,
Look
Kai,
at
you gonna go? No, wait till
I didn't
someone,
search
when they
for
come back, you can go. All right.
Stop.
Okay. Okay, at 2,
What are you doing?
how many yards from the home at 2?
At 2, like 2 seconds. Four.
4, good job. Right, okay. There you go, Kai.
And then the next one, if it's at 4, that's 8.
Okay, hey, Kai, how many minutes?
What is
Oh, too much. All right, so 4, right?
Alright, bro.
All right.
You need
Okay.
to leave.
Let's see. Let's go, Asajed. Yes, sir. Can you tell me if we walk 3 seconds, how many distance from the home? 6? How you know that? You want to write it on the board? Show me. Show me on the board. All right, show me on the board why you know. On here. Okay.
The constant
All
of
right, so
proportionality is 1 over
time
2.
spent walking, right? Start where? Here.
Evan,
All
are you
right. So
tired?
now, how do you
You wanna go to
how did you
sleep?
get to 6?
Luckily, you live close to here, so that means you don't have to
Uh-huh.
go.
Go ahead.
That's only
Yeah.
like 5.
Uh-huh. And
At
then.
least you gotta go. I get home at
Good
9
job.
o'clock.
Come on, man. Good one. Okay.
I can answer the next one.
I know you can, Leo.
Why don't I
That's
answer
good.
that? Can I answer
All right. How about you help the next person?
Okay.
Okay. All right. So Christina. So if we to walk 4 seconds, how far would we be at home?
8.
Really? How do you know that?
How could I not know that?
Well, you can show me.
I'm paralyzed.
Oh, really? You have temporary paralyzation?
Go show him. Just let me.
Show me.
Can I?
Come on, Vanessa.
Can I do
I
it?
mean, Christina. I know, I'm sorry. Christina.
This is my celebrity debut.
Down.
So,
Get out.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
In seconds. Where's this one graph?
Make the camera go first.
Huh?
I'm gonna make the camera go in front of
Where's
me.
4?
Huh? I mean, they already did see me when I went up to the front.
Alright,
To
so
grab
now,
it.
where
they
is
just
the-
did.
Okay, you gotta draw it to the line. Yeah. Alright, and then.
Oh, Evan, you cooked.
Okay, now
I'm joking.
draw it to the Y.
Oh, that can see you on the screen. They can see you, Evan, on the screen.
That's how you know. Good job.
They can't.
Okay, Muhammad, you want to do the next one? All right, come on up. Come on up. Okay.
I can see Evan
All right, so
now.
Muhammad. Okay, at 5,
No, you can't.
it'll be
Yeah, you can.
10. Okay. All right, so show me how you know. Huh? Huh?
Hey, that's not very nice.
Boom, good job. Okay, good job.
All right.
Okay. So everyone, all right, now how do we write this in a ratio? You can tell me.
1 to 2.
Okay.
1/2.
Those. All right, I need some hands of those who not tried yet.
Leo, you got
Let me
this.
see. I'm gonna just start picking out people. Jason, you just eager to do it. Come on up, buddy.
Xavier, that's not how he
You
laughs.
write this in a ratio. I'm gonna put it right here. All right, what about this one? 0, 0. How do you write that in a ratio?
What?
Okay, go ahead.
How do you laugh like that?
Over.
No, you
How do you
don't.
laugh like that?
There you go.
No, you
Good job.
don't. This is a certified lie.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Jason. Nice job, buddy. Okay. Raina.
I can do it.
Can you write this in a ratio? All right, Raina. Good job.
Oh, 2 minutes into the sound goes, like the timer goes off.
How do you write this?
You never talked about the sound before, now you're talking about it now.
We're writing it now. We already did this, so. Okay, go here. Put it up there. All right, good job. Okay. What about Jabril? Sir, can you write this in a ratio? Show me.
Carla, check. Carla, did you check yet?
Okay, so Jabril, you got Y over X. Y this is-
There's no way.
How do you write this?
It's 5, right?
Guys,
That'd be like $11.
Connie.
$22. What?
talking about someone pulling out their phone and checking the website.
Huh?
Excellent.